I'm so glad that we can be inside today, inside this nice warm house instead of outside. We're going to make Kingdom KooKeez today.
Hey guys, it's been a while. Today we are sharing a recipe with the help of friends. It will surely fill your tummies and warm your hearts. We are ready 2022. Let's begin. To share this delicious recipe, I'd like to welcome our good friend
Sue, hi.
How are you?
Great.
So good to see you.
Yeah.
So good to be here.
Yeah.
Now let's get started making Kingdom KooKeez today.
3 cups of oatmeal, 1 cup of peanut butter, a half a cup of coconut, and half a cup of honey. All nutritious things. So all we do is mix them together, roll them into balls, and put them in the fridge, and they're done. So we start with throwing the oatmeal in, 3 cups of oatmeal, and then I usually add the peanut butter next. And I find that if I grease the cup before I put the peanut butter in, it comes out a lot easier because I want to use every bit that I can. So a good tool to have is a wooden spoon. And then I add the coconut, dump that in, and the honey. And I do the same thing with the honey. If you put oil on the container, it seems to come out a little bit easier because I don't want to waste anything. All right. The hardest job really is mixing, for me anyway. And that's why I like helpers. I like people who can come and mix it all up. So maybe I'll get Christine to come and mix this. Do you want to have a little mix? We'll take turns. How about that?
Sure. I have a friend here.
Help?
Yes.
Whoa. This is good.
Once the ingredients are all mixed together, it's time to get rolling. There's no real size limit to the Kingdom KooKeez. You can make big ones and small ones, medium size, whatever you like. I like to tell the story of Kingdom KooKeez because it started about a year ago when I received a gift of $1,000 from some wonderful friends who I'd spent some time with. And the idea came because I knew that I wanted to do something good with this money, something that would help many people. And because cookies are small, they can feed many people, not just one gift to one person. So Kingdom KooKeez started out as a little idea, but I know that it's going to bless many people. And I hope that as you get involved in this project, you will bless many others too. I like making Kingdom KooKeez with all sorts of people. I've had old and young, and I really like when kids get involved because I want to inspire them from an early age to make a difference in the lives of others. I'm so thankful that I have Liam here. If Liam wasn't here, his father wouldn't be here probably, and his father is the one that's doing this video, and his mother's the one that has got the stage set for this production. So thank you to all of them, and I'm so thankful especially for Liam because we've already made 2 batches of Kingdom KooKeez that have gone to the streets. One of the things that I wanted to emphasize about the Kingdom KooKeez is that many of the people who receive this are people that are living on the streets, and they don't have access many times to a fridge or a stove or anything, and yet they're hungry.
So that's it. There's our Kingdom KooKeez. And the best part is you get to eat the crumbs.
It's time for some pictures, and I'm so thankful that Christine knows how to use the camera. So the Kingdom KooKeez are nutritious and they are delicious.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.
Where's the camera? Whoop! There you go.